Superbike Championship, that's the weekend on September and from. So it is said that if you are...
So I said, what do you mean? We're on our way down to Cadwell Park now. And Martin your connections with the team. 3 86 seconds on 101 let's go back up with the race reserve. And that was the point. I didn't know a bit of ground there. It wasn't a bit of ground there. And coming on the track now from St. Warren. That's wide at Park Corner as he tries.
Yeah, yeah.
On behalf of the team, colleague Johnny, get yourself onto the podium, mate, on that for the Supersport Cup. So it is Pete Dalton that will present the third place trophy then to Jimmy Westmoreland. James Westmoreland gets that third place award. Second position then, Steve Plater. Steve who gets that second. presentation. First of all, to Simon Andrews, a special one on the trophy cabinet for Trip Andrews. Well done to Simon, a special word of congratulations. Second position then is another podium for Stuart Easton and Hybrex Honda, but a special victory. It's Highways Yamaha again, but this time it's James Ellison. And Dave Parks, his chief technician, gets that.